Hi, Kim. Kim, good evening. Okay, so Kim, can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about
Okay,
you?
yeah, teacher is not doing great because I have a headache. Okay, I'm not feeling well. Today let us have to do the unit 7. Okay, I will share the screen now.
Yes.
Okay, so today let us have the moving and speaking. We
Yes.
have vocabulary words. We
Mm.
have here bounce.
Mouse.
Okay, these are verb. Okay, bounce. Bounce the ball. Next,
Oh,
we
wow.
have shout and
Sound.
carry. Okay, so they
Mm.
are all action word. Okay, so they are all action word. Okay, next we have the word push.
Push.
Push. Okay,
Push.
build.
Build.
Now, I
Now.
will build a house and
Yes.
smell. I
I will
smell some.
build my house.
Oh, okay. Kim will build a house. Okay. Kim will smell. Okay. Next one, Kim. We have through. Okay. I will through.
Draw.
Next is call. Next,
Oh. Collect.
clap. Okay. Next is catch. I will catch the
Cut.
ball. I will pull, and
Pull.
chat. Chat, it means
Cut.
talk. Chat, it means talk.
Yes.
Okay. Whistle. Then whisper.
Whisper.
Hold. I will hold the ball. I will hold this. Okay, that's hold. Believe. This is
Believe.
have to believe me. I see the big lion. I see a big snake. So you have
Yes.
to
Believe.
be. Okay. Next one. Describe.
Describe.
Describe, it means you have to
Mm.
guess.
Oh.
Oh, look,
Yes.
what is guess? What's
Yes.
guess? Okay. Okay, next is structure. Structure. Next is heel and taste. Okay, what's the taste? My God, the taste is very nice. It's very nice. Hill. My house is in the hill. Okay, look at him.
Yes.
put something here because of my head. I've got a headache.
Oh, yes.
Next one. Okay. Please answer the questions. Okay. So this one, huh? Please answer the question.
Yes, teacher. He is bouncing.
He is bouncing what? He is
He
bouncing the.
bouncing basketball.
Okay, he's bouncing the. No, he's bouncing the ball. Okay, he's
Uh,
bouncing the ball. Which part of his body he uses
uh,
to bounce the
uh,
ball?
uh, he, he's you he's you am he's you am.
Hmm. Okay. Now he uses the arm and the hands to bounce the ball, right, Kim?
Yes.
Okay, this one, Kim. Right eyes here, huh? You will write what part of the body did each person use. You will write E, sorry, ears, you just write all. Okay, go. Write your example, this one.
Yes.
Okay, shout is mouth. Okay, Kim, are you ready? Go, Kim.
Yes.
Kim, wait me for a minute. I will just go downstairs. Just wait me a minute. Teacher will drink medicine for a while.
Yes.
Dad, that is Mami Tubig, Dad. Daddy, palong si Mami Tubig. Wait, Dad. Oh. Oh, wait lang. Oh. Ah, ada po vitamins. Vitamins C. Marami ko ba? Pangit na vitamins C. Ano? Pang vitamins D. Stress ka ba? Tagal sa vitamins. Tubig lang. Ito na stress na ako. Kabahala ko sa vitamins. Ko atong grade. Ko atong grade. Mga vitamins C. Okay, done, Kim?
Yes.
Finish? Okay, let me see very fast. Hands, mouth, push, build. Oh, okay, smell. Smell, mouth. It's nose.
No.
Eyes, hands, mouth, mouth, hands, ah, hands, hands, ears, eyes, hands, like this one, mouth, eyes, mouth, 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 hands, nose. Okay, very good. Taste is not mouth. Oh, nose. Taste is mouth. Smell
Oh,
is nose. Oh, you change it, Kim. Okay?
yes.
Okay, very good. But anyway, that's very good. Okay, so complete each sentence with a word from the word box. Okay, so you have here word. And then you have to put it here, Ken. What do you think is the correct answer? Okay, ready? Are you right now?
Yes. Hmm.
Okay?
Yes.
Yay! Okay. Could you speak more loudly, please? I cannot. Ah. Yay! Here. Very good. Now, describe your school uniform to me. What does it look like? Okay, very good. My friend sometimes whispers secrets to me in class. I can
Yes.
decide which pajama to
Oh.
wear, my red ones or my gray ones. Okay. Dad doesn't always believe, spelling of believe, look at me when I say my
Oh.
bedroom is tidy. Okay. Can you guess the name of my favorite tune? Okay. Very good. Yay, Kim Kim. Kim, do you
Oh.
understand all these words? Do you understand this one?
Yes.
Okay.
I think everyone has
All?
one.
You understand all?
Mm,
Whisper.
mm.
Whisper. You understand? Here.
Oh.
Believe. Describe. You understand all words? You understand, Kim Kim?
Oh. Yes.
Okay, very good. That's my boy. Okay, go here. Look at the pictures, Kim, and tell a story. Okay, ha? The name of the boy is Kim, like you. He's going out, and his mother is giving him a scarf. This one. He says, Kim, you must wear your scarf today. It's really cold and very windy outside. Okay, now look at you tell me what happened to Kim. Okay. Look what happened to Kim. You tell me you think and then after tell to teacher. Do not write tell to teacher, okay? You look at the picture and tell to teacher. Nak, nak, ako anak. Nak, ako naman ako anak. Ang mga itindog mo.
Yeah, teacher, can we say picture one?
Okay, picture number 2. Look at picture number 2. What happened? Look what happened.
Yeah, teacher, the scarf, yeah, teacher, the scarf, a fly from, yeah, teacher, the scarf, a fly.
Okay. So the scarf, what happened to the scarf? Where did Kim put the scarf?
Yeah, teacher, you see my mouse?
You see that?
Yes, I think it's fly.
Okay, you see that, Kim? There is a wind. It's windy, right? Okay. Is Kim wearing a scarf?
No.
May bayad mo? That 150 ang mineral edition. Ay, ano kayo pa? Tapos na mag-live.
Yeah, teacher, No, he isn't.
Okay, where is Kim putting his scarf? Where did he put his scarf?
Yes, teacher Kim putting his cap in his in his
Pa?
look
Pocket.
in his bubble.
Okay. Next one. Okay. Look at the pictures and tell the story. Okay. After you answer these questions. Okay. So we have 5 questions. Please tell me the story and answer the questions. Okay. We have 5 questions.
Um, yeah, teacher Kim yeah, teacher Kim in football match.
Where's Kim now?
Yeah, teacher Kim in the football match.
Okay. Is his team playing well?
Um, uh, yes, I think his team playing well.
Is he shouting a lot?
Yes,
Okay. Is he wearing his scarf now?
yeah, teacher. He no, he isn't.
He is very good. Is his friend wearing a scarf? Look at this.
Yes,
Is his friend wearing a scarf?
yes, teacher.
Okay. Yes, very good. Now look at the pictures letter number 4 and answer the question.
Yeah, teacher.
Kim now.
Yeah, teacher. Kim in his house.
Okay. How does Kim feel?
Yeah, teacher.
How does
Kim
Kim feel? Kim feel?
Kim feel cold.
Oh, what is the weather like in here, Kim?
Yeah, teacher. It's rainy.
It is?
Rainy.
Okay, it is rainy. And where is Kim's scarf now?
Yeah, teacher. Kim step a on the road.
On the road. Okay. Now, okay. Now, number 5. Look at the picture and tell the story. Okay? Story.
Yeah, teacher. Uh, Kim Kim feel hmm. Yeah, teacher Kim feel fever. Yeah, teacher
Kim feel? How does Kim feel today? This
Kim
is
feel
Kim. Kim
Kim feel
feel?
fever.
Kim feel sick, right? Who
Oh,
has come to see Kim? Who has come to see Kim?
yeah, teacher. His friend come to see him.
Okay, it is his friend come to see him. Okay. What is Kim friend giving him? What is friend Kim giving him?
Okay, friend giving him his cigarette.
Okay, his
cigarette.
cigarette. Take your is scarf.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so this is the story, okay? Now look at the picture and answer the questions, okay? Please write your answer in the chat box about the picture, Kim. Okay.
Hmm. Yes, teacher. I say these dogs in the picture.
Okay, where do you see these dogs?
Yes, teacher. In the picture.
Okay. Do you see dogs like this in your country?
Hmm. Um. No.
Okay. What names do people sometimes give dogs?
Yes, teacher. Hmm. I think.
What's the name of your dog?
I think. I, yes, teacher. I think the name of the dogs. Uh. I Hello. Hello. Now. Um, Ngô. Hmm. Hmm.
Yes. What
Cái
names do people sometimes give to dogs?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Is low. Ngô. Now cái bạch.
Okay. So my dog's name is Chanel and Dior. Okay. That's the name of my dog, Kim. Now, what do you think is a good name for this dog? For this dog, what do you think, if I will ask you, what do you think is a good name?
Um. Yes, teacher. I think it's a good name for this dog.
Okay, what do you think? What the name of the dog?
Yes, teacher. I don't have dog, so I don't know.
Oh, your name, if ever you have a dog, what is the name of your dog?
Yes, teacher. I don't have dog.
Ever you have dog, what is the name of your dog? How will
Um.
you call your dog?
Sorry, teacher. I don't have dog.
Ah, you don't have dog. Oh, just if ever if you have dog, example you have dog. What's the name of the dog?
Hmm.
What do you think?
It's low.
It's low?
Yes.
Low? Oh, okay. So here, look at this, Kim Kim. Now, read the story and choose the word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers. We have choices here, okay? We have 5 blank. You have to choose what is the correct answer, okay? Day. Tanaw sa puton, day. Kisa mo nung day.
Yes, teacher, I committed.
Okay, so you're done? Okay,
Yes.
number one, after. Okay, a prison. Okay,
Oh,
two. It is plural noun. Three, it is,
oh,
okay, it's okay, past verb. Okay, adjective or adverb, past verb. Okay, number one, okay, answer is actor. Correct. Number two, animals. Yay. Three, climb. Very good game. Four, excited. And five, wizard. Oh, very
yes.
good, Kim Kim. Great
Uh,
job.
teacher,
Yay. You're
yes,
perfect. Very good.
yes, teacher, can I say buffet?
Are you puppy? My puppy is fighting. Okay, that's my. Shit. Go outside. Wait, my puppy is fighting. Not my puppy, it's my doggy. My doggy is fighting Kim. Look at my doggy.
Yeah. Can I know the name of your puppy?
Ah, that one, that one. That's the white one. Claudette, ay! Claudette! Shh. Okay, come here, Claudette. Claudette, here. Claudette. Okay, this is Claudette.
Yeah, teacher, can I know the name of your puppy?
Claudette. This is Claudette. And the black one is Cooper.
Oh, so cute. I
Cute?
want to have it.
You want to have puppy?
Uh,
Okay.
can you give me one?
Oh, you want to give? Okay, come here in the Philippines. I will give you one. I have puppy here.
Oh, so cute.
So cute. Okay. Okay. So Kim, we don't have enough time. So Kim, I will see you Kim on when again? Okay, next week, right Kim? I will see you on Wednesday again, Kim. Thank you so much, Kim, for today. Okay. Next week we're gonna have speaking class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye, Kim.
Yes, goodbye teacher.